Welcome to Stories from the Backseat, where every ride has a story, and some are stranger than fiction. Tonight I'm sharing one of the creepiest experiences I've ever had as a rideshare driver. A passenger who knew too much about me, my name, my car, even my family. And to this day, I have no idea how. Was he just messing with me, a hacker, a stalker, or something even worse? Buckle up, because this one still keeps me up at night. If you enjoy eerie rideshare stories, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. What would you have done in this situation? Now let's get into it. If your late-night pickup spot looks like a horror movie set, you're a rideshare driver in for a wild ride. It was around 11:45 p.m. when I got the request. The pickup spot? An empty parking lot behind a closed gas station. Not exactly a dream location. But I see this guy standing under a flickering streetlight, hoodie up. He gets in, doesn't say hi, doesn't confirm his name, just sits there. I ask, "How's your night going?" Nothing. Just a deep breath. I start driving. My grip tightens on the wheel. I feel his eyes on me through the rearview mirror. Every sound, every light, suddenly amplified. This wasn't just another ride. This was different. And I wasn't sure I wanted to know why. About 5 minutes into the ride, he finally speaks. Low voice, almost a whisper. "You ever feel like you're being watched?" I let out a little nervous laugh and say, "Well, there are cameras everywhere these days." Not cameras, people. Okay, that was weird. But hey, maybe he's just one of those deep thinkers. "I know where you live." My heart skipped a beat. I forced a smile. "Nah, man, you're probably thinking of someone else." "Nah, Elias, right? Live near Westheimer?" I never told him my name. I never told him where I lived. At this point, I'm considering pulling over and ending the ride. But then he leans forward. Just enough that I can feel his breath on my shoulder. Okay, weird joke. But then, right before I can say anything, he continues. That's when I realized this guy wasn't just guessing. He knew.
I didn't say a word, just kept driving, my mind racing. Who was he? How did he know about me? Was he a hacker? A stalker? I pull up to the drop-off. It's an apartment complex with no lights on. He opens the door, steps out, then leans back in. "Drive safe, Elias." As soon as he was out of sight, I ended the ride, checked my mirrors and drove off. Fast. I checked my phone. No name, no ride history, like he never existed. That night, I changed my rideshare settings. No more pickups from empty lots, and always double check who gets in the back seat. What would you have done?